Wayne. Sige.
For 10 points, and you will be given 10 seconds. What is the standard fuel for a fast breeder nuclear reactor? Again, what is the standard fuel for a fast breeder nuclear reactor? Previous one.
Ano yan yan? Nalitse pa namin yan. Sa ano pa yan? Next topic pa yan.
Kung sila nang taga dito. Sama ka pa sa... Plutonium yun.
Nahiring ako siya 235 or
The answer is you know. Repeat the demand. Plutonium 239. CSE uranium. UPLD uranium 238.
Tama tayo. Hindi ko nakita.
MSUIID hydrogen. EU uranium fuel. Adamson University uranium 138. PLM
Ano po yan? Ano po yan?
USLS uranium 238. Senior uranium. USD deuterium. MIT uranium 238. CIT Manila hydrogen. PLSU deuterium oxide. BSU power radioactive fuel. MCL uranium. May I ask the Sandigan judges?
Kilala mo kasi ito.
After 1 to 3 na UTB. UTB naman.
Only you really like it.
The second question, it will be in industrial waste management. Again, it is worth 10 points and it will be given 10 seconds. A waste-to-energy technology that uses the heat formed when an electrical discharge produces ionized gases that can generate temperatures up to 5,000 degrees Celsius. This technology can break down municipal solid wastes, hazardous and medical wastes into component molecules and produce a fuel gas made of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Name this waste-to-energy technology and the fuel gas it can produce. Again, a waste-to-energy technology that uses the heat formed when an electrical discharge produces ionized gases that can generate temperatures up to 5,000 degrees Celsius. This technology can break down municipal solid waste, hazardous and medical wastes into component molecules and produce a fuel gas made of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Name this waste-to-energy technology and the fuel gas it can produce. Start. Time is up. The answer is plasma or plasma arc technology or SINCAS or synthesis gas. USLS, gas methane. USD, pyrolysis. EIP Manila, no answer. Xavier, pyrolysis. MIT, methane. Batsu, carbon dioxide. MCL, bioreactor. DLSU, plasma, gasification, and synthesis. Unidemand, synthesis gas. CSA, Bacolod, methane. MSU, incineration. EU, incineration and carbon dioxide.
Ano kami nasa isip ko?
Adamson University, plasma, incinerator, and producer gas. UPLB, no answer. PLM, methane.
Synergy sa mga tulong.
We will not be able to accept the answer of Adamson, which is plasma incineration, because it's not an incineration.
Gasification.
All the others, we got plasma and syngas or synthesis gas. 5 points for each of the countries.
Mira, tingnan nila.
Putik sa Pero na.
Tinamaan tayo, tinamaan.
We will be considering the answer of the LSU for 10 points.
Puputis ako kung hindi.
And then I think there's one, maybe the demand 5 points.
The third question will be in physical chemistry. It will be worth 15 points and you will be given 1 minute. The ushers will be giving you a copy of the question. How long should the current 3 amperes be applied into a solution of silver nitrate to coat a metal surface of 80 square centimeters with a 0.05 centimeter thick layer? Express your answer in seconds. For silver, the density is 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter and its atomic mass is 108. Again, how long should a current 3 amperes be applied into a solution of silver nitrate to coat a metal surface of 80 square centimeters with a 0.05 centimeter thick layer? Express your answer in seconds. For silver, the density is 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter, and the atomic mass is 108.
Hindi na yan, gusto ko sa teaching natin. Kahit sa silver. Huwag lang magiging kilos. Pwede mag-malis na kilos. May time sulat mo lang.
Second time.
Ay, hindi. One lang pala.
Ito pala.
Please submit your answer.
Decimal place, no?
Decimal. Okay, tama.
The answer is 125.09. CSA
1330. Sumukha ka sila na yun. Nakalakon.
BLM 3.21 seconds.
Mali yung sagot.
Adamson University 3,486 seconds. TU Rollins
Hindi, bullets per second siya. Hindi, ito talaga yung sagot. Ay, yung sagot. Ako.
Sige na din.
USLS 12,509.
Hindi na i-protest yan.
USC 12,507.21.
Ulang ha? Ayaw na i-protest yan. Eksakto na tayo. Eksakto na yung bayan na yun.
Hindi ko makita eh.
Hindi i-protest yan.
Hindi, tama yung correction.
Kasi yan. I-protest yan ha?
Hindi, hindi ako pwede.
Ay, hindi siya.
MIT 12,507.36 seconds.
Tama sila. Tama, tama.
25.01 seconds. MCL 8 DLSE 12,509.
Pareho. Hindi natin baka may time mo. Hindi, tama talaga sa sila. Nakakasulot na. Protest. Good. Balik tayo. Protest.
Sorry, the answer is actually 12,000.
12,500.
Ah, hindi. Kung ano naman tayo, okay lang. Kung decimal.
12,509.20.
26.
Mali nga sagot. Mas mali nga yun.
Oo.
Oh, hindi, tapos 1 diba? 1 lang. Ayun naman, alam mo na yung sigado mo sila kasi.
Tumamalak tayo.
Tama sila, tama sila. Hindi naman.
Tama. Hindi naman tama. Ay, hindi ko alam.
Tama.
Ah, wait. Alam ko kung saan nagkakal sa decimal. Ang ginamit ko lang kulong sa para this one sa 96,480. Ang ginamit ko sa 500.
Ano yung matalang ginagawa?
500. Pero mas exact kasi yung isa. Mas round off na kasi yung ada.
Saan din? Saan?
Hindi pala ko yun.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ang asar na yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang asar na yun.
We will consider the answer of FSU IIT, okay, and then CSA Bacolod, and then LSU, MIT, and then USLS, USC.
Ano, ang daming ganyan lang. Kahit tayo. Ano?
We just want to announce that for all of those who are participating in the student conference, you may use the posters outside.
Don. Wala, hindi nakikinig si Don. Don.
Question number 4 is a
Don.
competent question. Question, ushers.
Don.
Liquid
Don.
water is being sorry. This is
Don.
for fluid flow.
You may post the poster.
You are given 1 minute to answer or 15 points. Liquid water is being pumped at a constant rate of 9 cubic meters per hour from a large reservoir resting on the floor to the open top of an experimental absorption tower. The point of discharge being 9.0 meters above the floor. The frictional losses in the pipe, which measures 50 millimeters from the reservoir to the tower, amount to 2.5 joules per kilogram. At what height must the water level in the reservoir be kept if the pump can only deliver 0.1 kilowatt? The density of the water is constant at 1 gram per cubic centimeter, and G is 9.81 meter per second square. Again, liquid water is being pumped at a constant rate of 9 cubic meters per hour from a large reservoir resting on the floor to the open top of an experimental absorption tower. The point of discharge being 9.0 meters above the floor. The frictional losses in the pipe, which measures 50 millimeters from the reservoir to the tower, amount to 2.5 joules per kilogram.
Ay, di, walang
At what height must the water level in the reservoir be kept if the pump can only deliver 0.1 kilowatt? The density of the water is constant at 1 gram per cubic centimeter, and G is 9.81 meter per second square. Timer starts.
Hindi yung fix na lang. Salamat ang efficient. Efficiency yan.
Wala sir. Ano binigay? Pero ito pang dami, efficient version. Dami ano pa? Pwede madali mo yung rin.
Sayang kain nila yan.
I-convert pa. Export pa lang sa
Sayang kain nila yan. Mali yan ulit yung sa kakamay na carelessness. Sobrang time nila.
Time's up. Please submit your answers to the usher.
Sikla.
Gusto siya ako.
The correct answer is 5.18 meters.
Parang familiar na sagot na to.
USLS,
Sir, viewers yung na-review namin.
UST 40 meters,
itanong mo.
CIP Manila, no answer. Xavier University 3.5 meters, MIT, no answer.
Kuya na.
Matsu 4.57
Wala na yan.
meters,
Hindi na kasi talagang... Ay, hindi naman ako.
TLSU 3.54 meters, MCL 3.04 millimeters,
Wala mo kami big part.
UPE
Kuya Franz, nakuha niya.
19.08 meters. KSA Bacolod
50 mm, akala na 50 meters.
Ayun.
1.58 meters. UTLP no answer. TLM no.
Nilagay na po. Tanga mo na.
University 11.46 meters. This dimensionless number is associated with buoyancy-driven flow, also known as free or natural convection. It is also the product of the Grashof number and the Fresnel number. Again, in fluid mechanics, this dimensionless number is associated with buoyancy-driven flow, also known as free or natural convection. It is also the product of the Grashof number and the Fresnel number. Timers are
Ayun siguro yan, tinuro ko yan.
Next up, please submit your answers.
Kuha nila yan.
Relay number.
The correct answer is relay number. Hindi naman, got it right.
Ako na? Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Mukha naman siguro. UPLD, Texas number. PLN, Texas
Wala na kaya nila yung puro.
Naalala yan.
EU, Texas number. Adamson,
Hindi pala.
USLS, Texas number.
Ulit natin sa transfer natin.
Relay.
Xavier, Stanton number. MIT, relay number.
Mali sila! Ba't mali sila?
Sherwood number.
Bakit gano'n?
Huwag na. Ay, nakalimutan nyo na nga rin.
Naalala ko lang yung ano, kasi pinagbibilang ko. Di ba may ano?
Please get a copy of
Hindi naman ako i-transfer nila eh. Ano ako sa inyo? Hindi ko dapat naman yun. Kayo lang i-transfer. Si Fred lagi naasahan ko kasi siya lang yun.
Nakalimutan na rin siguro. Ito, alam ko sir.
under separation process destination for 1 minute and 15.
Yung over 1 minute.
Estimate the slope of the operating line for a feed to a distillation column. Given the feed condition and properties as follows. Temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Boiling point 85 degrees Celsius. Heat capacity 72 kilojoules per kilogram mole Kelvin. Latent heat 8,500 kilojoules per kilogram. Again, estimate the slope of the operating line for a feed to a distillation column. Given the feed condition and properties as follows.
Kuya Franz,
Temperature is 30 degrees
Kuya Franz, Q over Q minus 1 diba? Q over Q minus 1.
Heat capacity 72 kilojoules per kilogram.
Hindi, makuha mo yung Q.
Latent heat 8,500 kilojoules.
CP delta T over lambda.
Nalimutan nyo na kasi mag-transfer. Pagka-compute kayo eh, nandun yun sa ano eh. Correlation na, Rayleigh number yung correlation. Doon pa ako sa confident din pa.
Sinuro ni Kingo. Tapos yung spread. Alam ko ni Sed, pag dito na kuha ni Sed, tinuro ko na sa kanya.
Ano yung easy points yung Rayleigh? Ilang points yun? Katawan tayo confident dito tayo.
Please submit your answers.
Easy lang pala mata.
Hindi, wala naman kasi ang round 1 na round 2. Walang difficult.
Correct answer is 3.15.
Ano ka ni Fred?
Pati siguro.
CSK,
Mag-impose yan.
PLD, 0.495, MSUIIT, 1.47, ELM,
Okay.
1.4 din ako.
Y equals 0.65.
Parang 1.6.
MSUIIT 1.47, BU 0.35, Alonson 0.47, USLX
Ay, naku, wala hindi kasi.
Xavier 0.53, MIT 3.15,
Ay, naku, naku.
Siyam na ako. Siyam na ako.
CLSU 3.5,
Pero UP di ata na ako ng UP.
Question number 7 will be in the legal service.
Yung degree of difficulty na
Problem number 20 points will be given the solution contains a mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium hydroxide. Using peroxide as indicator, 25 ml of mixture require 19.5 ml of 0.995 normal hydrochloric for the endpoint. With methyl orange, 25 ml of solution required 25 ml of the same hydrochloric acid for the endpoint. Calculate the grams per liter of each substance in the mixture. You will be given 10 points each. Again, a solution contains a mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium hydroxide. Using peroxide as indicator, 25 milliliters of mixture required 19.5 milliliters of 0.995 normal hydrochloric acid for the endpoint. With methyl orange, 25 milliliters of solution required 25 ml of the same hydrochloric acid for the endpoint. Calculate the grams per liter of each substance in the mixture. You will be given 10 points each. You may start.
Slav, may guro kayo hanggang.
Ang tiris ang ginawa natin.
Tapos. Hindi nakuha. Saan? Bigot nito, sir.
Ha?
Bigat ng ano, points na to. At makuha.
Ilang points ba?
20 points.
Wow. Ayaw nila yan. Sa relax na sila. Sumakit sila eh. Kaya wala kong...
Nakuha ko sa kasi na yung pero di ako sure.
It's substance.
Tapos ito yung sa NSTQ. Pwede. Pwede na ako.
Ano to?
Time's up. Please submit your answer.
May
Oo.
yung NA2 CO3 ko lang.
Okay niya na siguro yan.
Oh, wala.
UC Diliman, 11.6 grams per
Kuha nila
liter
yan, nakuha ko.
sodium carbonate and 31.04 grams per liter sodium hydroxide.
Calcin eh. Calcin.
ULE, 31.2 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide. CSA, no answer. MSU is 0.08 grams per liter of sodium
10 piece ka na nakuha mo.
Kami lang sa wala.
0.07 grams per liter sodium hydroxide.
Ito mama na ba? Wala pa.
350.96 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide and 132.44 grams per liter of sodium carbonate. Adamson University, 31.84 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide and 21.08 grams per liter of sodium carbonate. PLN, 7.33 times 10 to the negative 3 grams
Wala
per
pa nakakuha,
liter of
no?
sodium carbonate and 2.67 times 10 to the minus 3 grams per liter of sodium carbonate.
Hindi.
USLS, 2.35 times 10 to the negative 4 grams per liter of sodium carbonate. USD, 105.47 grams per liter sodium hydrocarbonate. Xavier University, 30.4 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide. MIT, 0.012 grams per liter of sodium carbonate and 0.017 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide. TIP Manila, 82.27 grams
Pero kami nakuha ni Tapia.
and 31.8
Oo, i-contest nila yan.
Pero kami
Oo, ayun no?
nakakuha na
Pero kami nakuha.
3 grams per liter sodium carbonate and 0.02 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide. DLSU,
Sabihin mo sa
23.2 grams per liter of sodium carbonate and 22.29 grams per liter of sodium hydroxide.
Baka tanggapin na lang yun eh. Hindi medyo confident.
9.48 grams per liter of sodium carbonate and 23.29
Sakali sir, tayo lang.
grams per liter of sodium
Tayo ang
May 10 points tayo.
Uy, contest.
Ano ka na?
The answer of the LSU for sodium hydroxide is correct.
Yun.
Tama. Ano na? 20.
Tama rin yun.
Tayo lang ba? Tayo lang.
Kung sakali.
Sige, tignan natin. Paano kayo nung nakuha ng
Pero uy.
Nag-appeal. Kasi konti lang ang diferensya ng ano. 33.20 sa 10.
Parang hindi ko muna yung sir. Kasi na mag-contest.
Pag-ibig mo ngayon sa distribution natin.
Final.
Pag-finish na ito, pag-balik na tayo. Tangan din yan. Sabihin ka na iwala.
Magaling mo sa ato.
Leading kanina sa akin. Number 6, YouTube.
Meron na yan ang PPT. Okay lang pag kinamay sa lupa dito.
Sayang eh.
Mahirap mong dito.
Pag-alaga, first natin, Dahil yata tayo ng 50 dapat na
In our resolution, the answer for Central Economy is 23.2. Ikaw ang for Central Economy.
Kulang, hindi pa sigurado.
Puro calculation naman ng ano.
It's lang tayo.
Ano, 2 minutes?
Then number 8,
Optimization si Tapi pag di nakuha eh.
meron kay Sapi.
enable the full effect evaporation system. A single effect evaporator has an initial completely installed cost of 20,000 pesos, while subsequent effects cost 20% less. The life period of each effect is estimated to be 10 years with zero scrap value. The annual total direct cost due to steam is given by the equation. Direct cost equals 37,500 over n raised to 1.75 in units of Philippine peso per year, where n is the number of effects. If fixed
So,
cost
single
is
effects, isa
mainly
N lang.
depreciation, how many effects will give the minimum cost? Yes. In a multiple effect operation system, a single effect evaporator has an initial completely installed cost of 20,000 pesos, while subsequent effects cost 20% less. The life period of each effect is estimated to be 10 years with zero scrap value. The annual total direct cost due to steam is given by the equation direct cost equals 37,500 over n raised to 1.75 in Philippine peso per year, where n is the number of effects. If fixed cost is mainly due to depreciation, how many effects will give the minimum
Yung sinabi
cost?
ko kung ano type of depreciation, i-assume na straight line. Assume na straight line.
Nahanap ko. I-optimize mo. Compounded pa siya. Hirap din siya.
Hirap na.
Hindi siya
Pero sabihin na lang, while subsequent effects.
kasi babaw. 10 million, 80% plus yun. So, kaya nga hirap ng compounded na didip
Parang ano, gradient.
Oo.
Ang hirap.
Kasi pwede
Magkano sila dyan? Arithmetic sequence.
Pero, parang hindi ba compounded lang na balik?
Ang ganun pala ibig sabihin nun sir. Mahirap siya.
1 plus 8 lang.
Pero naniniwala ako kanila sir.
Unless, kaya nyo na yun, di ba? Ito? Kaya nyo na, di ba? Sinusulat mo. Parang sa ilis mo, ikaw na. Tandaan niyo. Ilan? 2 minutes lang.
Kung number of effects, mahulan lang sila. 3 lang naman common, di ba? 3. 3, 2. Ay. 3 hula.
Sige natin na.
Or double effect.
Ako,
3 ako. Kaya 2 minutes talaga.
tama po.
Correct answer is 4.
Ang galing naman mo. Buhay na nila. Papalak sila eh.
Kapag nakakuha, no?
Ay, process control. Kaya. Alam ko siya nagbibigay. Process control. Process control.
Points and you will be dispensed. And the input output model will know what is field test for. And the input output model will know what is field test for.
Nagkamali yan. Napakagurag yun.
Naku, lumabas si Sir Ore.
5 minutes. Kaso mo na ba?
Wala. Doon sa pagbili ng susunod.
Siya nagturo sa amin eh.
Ay, sila nag-iis. Lumabas pala.
Dali lang yan.
Dali lang yan.
CSA process, UPLD PNM process,
Last question sir.
Tama yun. Hindi tayo nagsawa. Hindi tayo mag-ano.
transfer function. MIT
Nakakano ko nagkakamay.
process, MCL transfer function.
Wala tayo po siya. Hindi siya easy average na no? Basta mata-mata mo yung ano, hindi siya easy average. SR Lawrence.
Last question for round all.
Wala yan. Batak naman kayo dyan. Kinakabahan pa sa media eh, mga concept eh. Kanina, alam mo.
One cubic meter tank is initially evacuated. However, there is an imperfection in one of the welds and air leaks into the tank. The process is slow and heat transfer with the surroundings keeps the tank and its contents at the ambient temperature, which is 300 Kelvin. Calculate the amount of heat exchanged with the surroundings during the time it takes for the pressure in the tank to reach atmospheric pressure, 101.825
Ideal
kilopascal.
case yan.
Assume that air can be treated as an ideal gas with constant Cp equals 1.5 bar. Again, a 1 cubic meter tank is initially evacuated. However, there is an imperfection in one of the wells and air leaks into the tank. The process is slow and heat transfer
tama. Yung sa volume siya magbaba. Sa volume siya
Calculating
magbaba.
amount means change to the surroundings
Kasi
during the
NCDD.
time it takes for the pressure in the
Ano nila
tank to reach atmospheric pressure, 101.325 kilopascals. Assume that air can be treated as an ideal gas with constant Cv equals 1.5 bar. Timer starts.
Usually pa ako.
Naglilik pa kasi.
Pressure for yung working.
Tama. Kukunin nila yung volume at yung pressure, yung pag nila yung equilibrium pressure.
So, atmosphere, hindi atmosphere. Special cut yan. Ano yan? Paano na diretso?
Hindi siya adiabatic sir, no? Kasi may heat. Dito siya.
Hindi siya asymptotic.
Ayun sir.
Asymptotic.
Ikaw lang pang isang flow.
Hindi siya fast, slow. Slow and sinipres ng gases. Yung sinipres ng gases.
Ano sir, reversible? Kasi pag ano, mabilis, irreversible na siya. Infinitesimal lang siya. Yun yata yung
The correct answer is negative 101.325
parang Pascal.
oh,
UPT 151.97 CSA 334.85 joules per mole.
negative 3.
KLM 36.7
Oh, nagkataon lang talaga.
PU 334.85 joules. Adamson negative 11 joules.
Kaya natin.
Hindi sila mamimiti. Saka either way, wala rin ako kuha. Mahirap siya sir. Kasi kung ano ko yung... Hindi ko rin to sure sir kung ganito eh. Ano ba? Ganito ba ginagawa?
Savior 9,439.82
Once you press dapat, tapos nag-expand.
3,741.1 joules per mole. VIP
Ano ako?
9,439.43 joules per mole. PLSU 36.26
Wala man.
Wala nakakuha.
Nobody got to collect.
CL 151.5